Abhinandan has been quiet for more than 10 minutes. Abhinandan.
But I've been given strict instructions that I cannot use the language I use on Hafta on your show.
No,
Because
but I
it's a
said you
little
can
more-
use the F word thrice. In a 1 hour show, thrice you can use.
Oh, that's my quota.
Yeah, that's your quota.
This whole thing of naming judges is a last decade or so, right? Because before that, I remember whenever judgments were covered in the media, very rarely did you know who was the judge.
Initially, one of the IAS officers told me that they thought Gopalakrishnan wanted to make a broadcast list and send Deepavali wishes. Instead of making a broadcast list, he made a WhatsApp group. And that's how the name went to everyone. I don't know if it's a truth, but if it is, then very sad for him. A CPIM government or a Congress government is now starting to feel that a lot of these bureaucrats and even IPS officers, IAS officers are tilted towards the Sangh or towards the BJP.
The South is never covered. But see, the thing is, if you ever throw up a hijab issue, a Waqf land issue, it is covered daily, hours together on prime time. So you just have to get the right subject and South will get enough coverage.
Also, every 10 minutes you can praise as Abhinandan. Will not interrupt you. Just
I'd rather not hear from Chandrachud over weekend after weekend about his.
You're going to hear from him more now, I feel.
So he'll say, great things in the Ayodhya judgment. Eventually, he'll give the land to, right? Same with abrogation of Article 370. He'll say that, okay, we have a lot of concern with what's happening, but we'll stand by the government. We don't have any reason.
Electoral
I think
bonds.
EB, exactly.
Electoral bonds, yeah.
It's illegal, but will
And
not
Delhi-
punish
the
and
Delhi-
not,
the
not
Delhi
recover
LG
money.
issue as well, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
Delhi LG issue.
In the
fact-
moment he comes down heavily, we know that the judgment is going to say something.
So yeah, a lot of phrases for Chandrachud, right, liberal, what is it, Operation Successful?
Operation Success, patient dead.
Patient dead. See, when it comes to movies, Danya will keep quiet because first thing, I don't watch enough movies, and when I do and I say something sarcastic, I get rogered online.
Tanya has most controversial takes on
No,
Tamil
not as
movies.
much as Abhinandan, but I don't know why people don't abuse him as much.
I think they have
They do, I just don't give a shit.
Breathing in AQI 400 air, so hopefully the conversation will be less toxic. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, yes, you Delhi guy is breathing in really polluted air.
And of course, I would have loved to have Chandrachud cover Modi and Modi move him like he moved Mark Zuckerberg. That would have been lovely. But
Till the elections come, we can never say there is alliance or there is no alliance. It can change anytime. And please, our Annamalai is in London. Let him come back. Let's see what happens. Yeah.
But then before election,
Oxford, I thought. Oxford, I thought.
Oh, he okay, huh? Yeah, what do you think?
now you're behaving like a Punjabi. Because for Punjabis, everything is London.
Somehow in my brain, he's gone to London.
You have given away that your South credentials are cancelled because if you ask a Punjabi, where London che? Southampton, Ireland, Scotland, New
So
Zealand.
good, right? All
everything is London.
Punjabis come in and listen to this Punjabi host. Yeah.